Thinking about leasing a car but not sure what personal contract hire actually means? Let's break it down step by step. Personal contract hire is a simple way to drive a brand new car for a fixed period without owning it. You pay for the use of the car, not the full value. That's why leasing often costs less per month than buying. Step 1 is to choose your car. At Rivervale, you're not limited to a small selection of models. We can source pretty much any make or model of car, from everyday hatchbacks to premium and electric vehicles. Because we work with a wide range of UK funders and arrange thousands of car leases every year, we secure strong discounts and pass those savings directly onto our customers. You can browse our hottest leasing deals online or explore our extensive stock, with some vehicles available for delivery in days rather than months. Step 2. Set your contract details. You choose how long you want the car for, usually between 2 and 5 years, and how many miles you expect to drive each year. This helps keep costs clear and predictable. Step 3. Agree to your lease terms. You choose an initial rental followed by fixed monthly payments. The upfront amount can be tailored to suit your budget. A higher initial rental usually means lower monthly payments, but flexibility is key. Step 4 is the fun part. It's time to drive the car. Once the car is delivered, it is yours to use for the full term of the agreement. You do not own it, but you get all the benefits of driving a brand new car. The lease will include the manufacturer's warranty and road tax. You can also add a service and maintenance package to help cover servicing, MOTs and tyres. Step 5. Return the car. At the end of the agreement, you simply hand the car back. There is no selling, no depreciation risk, and no hassle. As long as the car is returned within the agreed mileage and in fair condition, more details can be found within the BVRLA's Guide to Fair Wear and Tear. So why do people choose PCH? Personal contract hire makes budgeting simple. With fixed monthly payments, no worries about resale value, access to the latest cars and technology, and the option to change your car every few years. We cater to drivers who want flexibility and predictable costs. What should you be aware of? There are a few things to consider. Exceeding your mileage can lead to extra charges. Damage beyond fair wear and tear may be chargeable. And if you end the lease early, there is a termination charge. This is why getting the right advice at the start matters. If you are unsure, expert guidance makes all the difference. Why speak to Rivervale? We'll help you find the right car at the right price, choose realistic mileage and terms, structure payments around your budget, and avoid making common leasing mistakes. Explore our latest lease deals or browse cars available for quick delivery at rivervale.co.uk, or speak to our team for clear, honest advice. Rivervale, making motoring manageable.